Today we will discuss top 15 questions of coronavirus or COVID-19 pandemic disease. So let's begin. What is novel coronavirus? A, new strain. B, old strain. C, found in human previously. D, found in rats. So what is novel coronavirus? Novel coronavirus is a new strain that has not been previously identified in human beings. So here correct answer is A. That means novel coronavirus is a new strain. Virus is A non-living, B living, C both, none of the above. So virus क्या है basically? It is a non-living thing. It is considered as a non-living thing outside the host cell. Virus is a simple assembly of protein and its genome. So without cell, virus would not be able to multiply themselves. So it is considered as a non-living thing. Once it enter into the host cell, they can multiply easily. So here, virus is a non-living. Coronavirus genome is a DNA, positive strands of RNA, negative strand of RNA, protein. So basically, coronavirus genome is made up of positive strands of RNA. Correct answer is B. Coronavirus causes a kidney syndrome, liver syndrome, respiratory syndrome, heart illnesses. So everyone knows here, coronavirus causes respiratory syndrome. It is related with lungs. Which of the following are not related to coronavirus family? A, MERS, that means Middle East Respiratory Syndrome, COVID-2 SARS, Ebola. Here SARS means Severe Acute Respiratory Syndrome. So here everyone knows that MERS, COVID-2 SARS, that means COVID-19 disease के बारे में बात हो रही है, and SARS. So these three are related with the coronavirus family. Ebola is not related with coronavirus family. So here, which of the following is not related to coronavirus family? That means Ebola is not related with coronavirus family. Which of the following are symptom of coronavirus? A, fever, B, cough, C, shortness of breath, D, all of the above. The correct answer is D. Fever, cough, shortness of breath, all are symptoms of coronavirus disease or COVID-19. How we can detect coronavirus? A, RT-PCR, B, antigen test, C, ELISA test, D, A and B. Here RT-PCR means reverse transcriptase polymerase chain reaction. So here correct answer is A. That means coronavirus can be detected with reverse transcriptase polymerase chain reaction. Correct answer is A. Coronavirus outbreaks occurred in US, India, China, Singapore. Correct answer is C, China. Coronavirus outbreak has originated in which city of China? A, Shanghai, B, Wuhan, C, Beijing, D, Hubei. So here correct answer is B. That means Wuhan. China, novel coronavirus disease outbreak occurred in Wuhan city of China. SARS virus spread in 2002 in which country? A, China, B, Middle East, C, Dubai, D, India. So here correct answer is China. SARS and COVID-19. SARS and new novel coronavirus both spread occur in China only, started from China only. In SARS, A stands for acute, adverse, advanced, advantage. So here in SARS, severe acute respiratory syndrome. A stands for acute. Correct answer is A. Which of the following therapy is useful for treating coronavirus patient? A, antibody therapy, B, antigen therapy, C, plasma therapy, D, none of the above. So here correct answer is C. Plasma therapy is used in treating coronavirus, severely ill patient of coronavirus. What happened in this therapy? They take out plasma from a recovered patient of COVID-19 and they transfer this plasma into the critically ill patient. So, and here what happened? Plasma having that antibody that regenerate in recovered patient work in critically ill patient. Okay. So here correct answer is plasma therapy. Coronavirus, this therapy is useful for coronavirus patient. coronavirus that causes infection in nose, upper throat, sinuses, all. So here correct answer is D. That means all. Coronavirus causes infection in nose, upper throat, sinuses, all of the three. MERS, or this is also known as Middle East Respiratory Syndrome, emerged in which country? China, US, India, Middle East. As its name signifies, MERS means Middle East Respiratory Syndrome. So it originated in Middle East. Correct answer is D. Which section of the epidemic disease state government union territories take special measures and formulate regulation to contain any outbreaks? Section 4, Section 2, Section 6, Section 7. So, Section 2 is a correct answer here. Section 2 empowers state governments and union territories to take special measures and formulate regulation for containing the outbreak. So, here correct answer is B. Coronavirus is a zoonotic disease. That means they can transmit from plant to animal, they can transmit from animal to human, they can transmit from plant to plant, none of the above. So here correct answer is B. Zoonotic means the disease which can transmit from animal to human being. So here correct answer is B.